Don't miss Eureka on Disney Junior. But now, let's watch another magical moment. It seems like Murphy's not feeling like himself today, and he just can't stop sneezing. As you can see,
that was one of Dad's favorites.
The sneeze of a mammoth is hardly small, and it's starting to be a problem for Eureka and her family. How will they solve the sneezing?
It's okay, big guy. We are gonna get to the bottom of what's going on with that trunk of yours.
Oh!
And I know just the person who could help us.
Careful! Those are from the library! I can't return them if they're cracked.
Don't you worry, Barry. It's just a little light reading. Barry, Pepper, we've got a problem.
The volcano erupted? No, the heat boiled off all our water. Murphy swallowed gum again?
Not quite, but it is about Murphy. He keeps making this noise. Whoa, what in the woolly mammoth was that?
It sounded like Snurf.
So you know what this is?
No, not a clue. But come with me and we'll find some answers.
Cave library, great idea, Barry. What's she doing with that?
People from all over come to read the walls. And if they find something they like, they can borrow it for 2 weeks.
Could we take a peek at what you have on woolly mammoths?
Shh! Oh, of course. It's way toward the back. If you see a painting of 3-horned quadceratops, you've gone too far. Barry, have fun. You, please behave yourself.
Behave is a hard word. Of course. Thank you so much. Bye. In cave voices, please. Shh. Good boy, you found it. That kind of looks like a Snurf. This must mean that when mammoths get really hot, they snurf.
And today is hot.
So maybe all we have to do is keep you cool, and then you won't snurf. Sorry, better get home quick. I've got some major tinkering to do. Alrighty, how to cool you down. I like where this is going. I'm still missing something. Oh yeah, that's cold. That's it. What's what? To make my one-of-a-kind mammoth cooling system, I'm gonna need some ice. A lot of ice. Would you guys mind helping me by getting some from the ice caves? We're on it.
Sure. I know it's tempting, but don't... You got your tongue stuck, didn't you?
Did you feel that?
Feel what?
Just hold on a little longer, Murph. We got the ice.
Oh,
All right, tell us what happened.
Well, it all started because of the heat. Turns out when mammoths get hot, they make this noise. It's hard to describe, sort of a loud...
Wait, that was Murphy making those noises? And shaking the house?
I tried inventing something to cool him down so he'd stop, but then we broke that into a gajillion pieces, so I tried a new idea, and that didn't exactly go well either. It tore down all of your hard work. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to do what I promised and be responsible for my pet.
We thought all that shaking was an underground pool of lava.
Or a stampede of wild mastodons. This whole time it was just Murphy? Oh, honey, you should have come to us first.
Families solve problems together.
Even problems like snurfing.
How'd you know we call it snurfing?
Your mom knows a lot of things.
And it really sounded like Murphy said snurf.
that's what I said.
Right?
There's no better invention than creativity. And together, they found the coolest and most creative solution to Murphy's dilemma.
I love it.
I'm a fan.
Subscribe to find more videos and stay tuned to Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.